Very good morning बच्चों, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, केम छो, मजामा छो? Yes, so now we are going for the study of chemical reaction of SN1 reaction, which is related to the part of halogen derivatives. So in this reaction we are taking alkyl halide, and alkyl halide reacts with H2O, which is water, and which is known as polar protic medium. So in this reaction, alcohol, or we can say alcohol plus alkyl hydrogen halide will form here. Okay, so in this reaction there are two steps. First step, in the first step formation of carbocation is there, and in the second step attack of nucleophile is there. Okay, so now we are moving ahead. The third point, in first step is RDS. We all know what is RDS. RDS is rate determining step. Rate determining step. Okay, and the next part is yes, and in first step only one molecule formation is there. Only one molecule formation is there. That's why it is known as unimolecular reaction, and the rate of reactivity directly proportional to the stability of carbocation, which means if 3° carbocation is there, so 3° carbocation is more stable as compared to 2° carbocation, and then 1° carbocation. Okay, and the next part is like this. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of alkyl halide, and that's why we have written here the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of alkyl halide. The second point, this reaction does not depend upon the concentration of nucleophile, which means it doesn't depend on the concentration of nucleophile, it is only depend upon the concentration of alkyl halide. So now we are moving ahead into the next part, and the next part is this. So here alkyl halide is there, nucleophile is there. So in the first part, removal of halide, halogen group will remove from here. So this will remove from here. Okay, and R and U, the attack of nucleophile will be there. So here nucleophile is replacing halogen group. So that's why the formation of R and U. NU is nucleophile here, and X minus is halogen group here. Okay, that's why it is nucleophilic substitution reaction, because one nucleophile is substituting the second nucleophile, or you can say that second nucleophile is substituting first nucleophile. Are you getting me? So now we are moving ahead into the part of mechanism. So here, yes, in mechanism we are taking 3° alkyl halide, and we are providing H2O, which is polar protic solvent. So we are getting here the product as a alcohol, and what is the byproduct? That is hydrochloric acid. So we all know in first step what is happening here. In first step, formation of carbocation, which means here carbocation will form. So now, or removal of nucleophile. This is the nucleophile which is removed from this place, and it will form carbocation, because here two electrons are there, which is taken by the chlorine. That's why in chlorine 1 minus charge is available in the head of chlorine, and carbocation is formed here. In the second step, attacking of nucleophile. So here H2O is the polar protic solvent, which is providing actually the nucleophile, and that nucleophile is actually OH. So now we can see here very clearly. So what is happening here? Carbocation is there, H2O is there. We all know in H2O oxygen is having two lone pair. So oxygen is a very good donor, so it will provide one lone pair to the carbocation. Am I right or wrong? So what will happen? It will make here one bond like this. This is the bond. This bond will form by H2O. And oxygen, if oxygen is donating electron, which means it has positive ion in the head of oxygen. Are you getting me? Afterwards, oxygen is going to take again the electron or lone pair from hydrogen. So here H plus will remove from this place and we are providing medium. So H2O is available and H2O divided into H plus and OH minus. So this H plus will come and attach or react with this OH minus and it will form H2O, and that Cl minus will react with this H plus and it will form HCl and alcohol will form, and this alcohol is 3 degree, which is most stable. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and Jai Punjab.